Sometimes as graphic designers, we receive images that are not optimized for the media or the channel that we're designing into. Today, I'm going to show you a really simple way in Photoshop to add spacing around your cropped images. Here I have an example where I'm trying to create this design, but I don't have enough padding around my image here to adjust and optimize for this design. I need a little bit more padding on the sides here and perhaps on the top so that my button can fit comfortably and have enough space all the way around. So what you want to do is you want to open up your image here, and I'll show you there's no extra image here. It's pretty much cropped in really close to the edge on the left and the right. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna locate our crop tool, and with your crop tool selected, go ahead and check the box for content aware. I'm gonna expand off to the sides here quite a bit to get me that room that I'm looking for. And then I'm gonna expand on the top a little bit more, again, to find that room that I'm looking for. I'm gonna straighten out my image by holding down Command. And that looks pretty good from my point of view. So I'm gonna hit Enter on that crop and let Photoshop do its thing. And there you have it. Extra room on the top and on the sides here. I'm gonna go to File, Save. And when I go back to my design, you'll see that my image got updated here because I'm working with a smart object. If this didn't happen for you, then just drag your image from your Finder or your file locator and drag and drop your new image into here. Go ahead and adjust my image to fit my needs here. And I like the way this feels right there. But there's an issue. I did not give myself enough room on the top to make it fit where I really want it to fit. So I'm going to show you a manual way of doing the content aware fill. For that, you want to make sure that your image is not a smart object. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate my layer here. I'm going to hide my smart object, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to rasterize this layer. Once I've rasterized this layer, make sure that it's selected. We're going to use the rectangular marquee tool. Create a box really close to the edge there, and it can even overlap into your image as shown here. Once you're done doing the selection, you're gonna right click, fill, select content aware, and hit OK. When we deselect the selection here, you'll see that we now have padding, and this design is very well balanced and good to go from my point of view. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to see more content like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative.